Good morning, students. Our running chapter is accounting principles, and in this video we are going to discuss about the prudence or the conservatism principles. So the prudence principle is a many a time described using the phrases do not anticipate profit but provide for all the losses, all the possible losses. It means that until you have not received the profit, you should not recognize in the books of accounts, but you should provide all the possible losses you are expected, maybe you are expected to be maybe in the coming future, or in the coming month, or in the coming year, that you should make all the financial arrangement for that possible losses or the mishappening. So students, this is the very important another accounting principle, that it means that the कि जब तक आपको प्रॉफिट नहीं मिल जाता, एज पर द अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, जब तक आपको प्रॉफिट ना मिले, जब तक आप उसको प्रॉफिट आपको कंसीडर नहीं करना है। यानी कि जब तक आपको कैश में वो पैसा ना मिल जाए, यानी कि जब तक वो पैसा न मिले, हम उसको क्या करेंगे, हम उसको प्रॉफिट नहीं मान सकते हैं। अगर हमको ऐसा लगता है इन द फ्यूचर, इन द कमिंग फ्यूचर देयर मे बी द फायर, there may be the loss by fire or the loss by accident, that we should provide the financial arrangement by taking the insurance, by making the various types of the reserve for that particular type of the loss. So in the another words, it take into the consideration all the prospective loss. So अगर हम बात करें कि we should take into the another consideration, that it take into consideration all the prospective loss but not prospective profit. अगर हमें कोई prospective loss है, we will take into the consideration but not the prospective profit. अगर हमें कोई prospective profit लग रहा है कि हमें होने वाला है, हम उसको consider नहीं करेंगे books of account में. The application of this concept ensure that the financial statement present a realistic picture of the state of the affair of the enterprises and do not paint the better picture than what the actually is. It means that the financial picture or the financial statement should be in the realistic picture, in the realistic format. That should not paint a better पिक्चर, यानी कि जो भी आप बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट में प्रेजेंट करने वाले हो, वो चाहे प्रॉफिट हो चाहे लॉस हो, वो एग्जैक्ट या रियलिस्टिक इन द नेचर होना चाहिए कि हमें उसमें कोई जानबूझ करके कोई प्रॉफिट हमें या ऐसा दिखाने की कोशिश नहीं करनी है जिससे हमारा बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट क्या अच्छा दिखे, यानी कि हमें हमारी प्रॉफिट हम इन्वेस्टर को ज़्यादा दिखे। इस तरीके से हमें बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट को मेंटेन नहीं करना चाहिए। वी शुड ऑलवेज फॉलो द कंजर्वेटिज्म प्रिंसिपल for the maintenance of the books of account, or for while we are going to prepare the books of accounts, and while you are taking the other any types of the transaction. So students, I hope that you got the prudence or the conservatism principles in the chapter accounting principles. So that is all for this. So we will take the another principle in the coming video.